a mysterious howl echoing in the silence of the night. An agile hunter moving swiftly among the shadows. Not as big as a wolf, not as small as a fox, but leaving its mark on nature with its intelligence and adaptability. It is the cunning animal of the desert, the jackal. Today we take a step into its unknown life.
Jackals are members of the Canidae family. They live in different regions of Africa, Asia, and Europe. The most well-known species are golden jackal, Canis aureus, black-eared jackal, striped jackal. They are approximately 80 to 100 centimeters in length and weigh around 8 to 12 kilograms. Despite their medium size, they survive with great courage and intelligence.
Jackals are opportunists. They can be herbivores or carnivores. Small rodents, birds, fruits, insects, carrion, they eat whatever they find. They usually hunt at night because the silence of the night gives them an advantage. A jackal can locate carrion from miles away thanks to its powerful sense of smell. They hunt alone, in pairs, or rarely in small groups.
Jackals can live in deserts, forest edges, savannas, and rural areas. They are found across a wide geographical area, from Africa to India and from Turkey to Central Asia. They have an incredible ability to adapt. They can also be seen in areas close to human settlements and feed on garbage at night. In rural areas, they can even adapt to agricultural fields. Jackals are monogamous. A female and a male usually live together as mates for life. They give birth once a year. After a gestation period of 55 to 70 days, the female jackal gives birth to 4 to 6 pups. The pups are blind and defenseless during their first weeks. Both the mother and father care for the pups. The pups are weaned at around 3 months and become independent by the age of 1.
are very intelligent. They can set traps while hunting, communicate with sounds, and plan tactical escapes in times of danger. They mark their territories with scent and keep unwanted guests away. Although they live in pairs, they do not hesitate to cooperate when necessary. In warm climates, they rest during the day and are active at night. Many people refer to them as the foxes of the forest or the wolves of the desert.
Jackals are generally considered harmful by farmers. They are thought to harm chickens and lambs. For this reason, they are often hunted. However, they play an important role in maintaining balance in nature. They clean up carcasses and control the rodent population. Jackals must also be protected for the sake of natural balance.
Jackals are the silent heroes of nature. These creatures, which pack great intelligence into their small bodies, are masters of survival in the wild. Getting to know them is an important part of understanding nature. So, what new thing did you learn about jackals today? Don't forget to leave a comment. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to keep discovering the secrets of wildlife. Remember, understanding nature is the first step to protecting it. See you in the next wildlife documentary.